Hey y'all, I'm so happy that you joined me today because we're going to do something so fun. I don't know if you're like me, but we've been running around all day, and for supper you want something that is quick and easy and maybe a little out of the box since it's still summertime. So this is a Muffuletta Dip. You know, the Muffuletta sandwich is famous in New Orleans, and it is so yummy. It's a big sandwich on a sourdough or Italian bread, and it's thick, so it's a lot. But what about using the same ingredients almost as you would use on the sandwich as a dip? And I just think it's such a great idea because you can use it for so many different things. So we're going to start with a cup and a half of olive salad. Now you can make your own olive salad if you like, or you can buy it at the store already made. And then these are the little pepperoncinis, and it's 1/4 of a cup, which is about 2. And then it's one, you want to come up here with me?
No.
And then it's 1/2 of a red bell pepper. So we're going to add that, a fresh red bell pepper chopped. Come on inside with me. And 1 stalk of celery. Nico's here. We've been doing stuff all day long, haven't we, Nico? But we've had a great day. Can you say hello? Okay. 1 tablespoon of olive oil. I'm just going to kind of measure that by sight. And then a cup of salami chopped. Now, capicola ham is one very common meat that's used in muffuletta sandwiches, but this is something that's really easy to find, and so I got it. So I chopped those up in probably about 1/8, I would say, because you want the pieces of the meat are not going to be as small as the pieces of the olive salad and everything, but you do want it kind of relatively the same. So this is provolone cheese, and we're going to put that in there, 8 ounces. We chop that up, and then next I'm going to show you what we're going to do. This is Italian mortadella, and it's actually a bologna, but it is delicious, and it's got pistachios in it, and I always put this meat on my muffulettas whenever I make them. I make them a lot for parties, and so I just thought it would be fun to put this in the dip as well. So I hope you all are doing great. Try to stay cool. Don't get overheated. I know there's a heat wave here for sure, and so we are trying to stay as cool as possible. We're fixing to go out and water our garden. But anyway, I want to thank y'all for following me, for being part of Miss Dana's Kitchen family, and I appreciate you. I love y'all, and it's just been a lot of fun to share these. I think in the summertime I try and share recipes that are a little bit lighter, and well, this is not necessarily light, but easy and cool. And you could bring this outside if you wanted to. If you wanted to have a summer night outside and just sit outside and watch the lightning bugs, this would be a great dish for that. So I'm gonna stir it all together. I see you. And then we're gonna put it in our bowl. I'm serving it on this fun little New Orleans platter that I got. My goodness, I've had this for so long. And I got it in New Orleans, and it's got on the sign that it says Cafe American. Okay, so here it is. Here's the way it looks. And really, it's good to let it chill for about an hour or so, but you can leave this in the fridge. You can leave this in the fridge for days. That's another good thing. If you're having company, make some of this up, and then y'all bring it out whenever people are hungry in the evenings. It's just perfect. Okay, come over here. So here it is. That's Nico's hand. And what we're going to do is garnish it with a little parsley. Can you come over here? And we're going to serve it because don't hit it, please.
Why did you think it was airplane?
Well, because have you ever seen somebody air play a guitar when they go, why do they call it air? those, they're not real playing the guitar, they're in the air. So here's our beautiful muffuletta dip, y'all. I'm serving it with these little French rounds, and just put some fresh peaches on the side. Just something nice and light and bright, and I think your family's gonna love it. Bon appetit, y'all.